Hi everyone! Today we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries. You're going to start off by taking your strawberries and washing them off. You can wash them one at a time in the sink, or you can keep them in a basket and wash them all together. Once you've washed every side of your strawberry, lay them out on a paper towel to dry. The strawberries need to be completely dry before you dip them in chocolate, so wait 30 or 45 minutes before you start dipping. You can also speed up how fast they dry by patting them down gently with a paper towel. Once your strawberries are completely dry, head on over to the microwave. You're going to need a bowl that's safe to use in the microwave and some chocolate chips. If you have long hair, it's probably best to tie it up out of the way too. Pour your chocolate chips into a bowl and put them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Every time the 30-second timer goes off, take the bowl out and carefully stir it. Make sure you have adult help because the bowl is going to get very hot. Once all your chocolate is melted, quickly head over to where you're going to dip your strawberries. I think it's easiest if you scrape your chocolate toward the bottom so that you have a nice deep area to dip your strawberries in. Take your strawberry, hold it firmly at the top, place it straight down in, give it a little jiggle, pull it straight up, wiggle it around a little bit so the extra chocolate drips off, and then lay it down on a piece of wax paper. If you're going to add any decorations to your strawberries, now is the time to do it when the chocolate is still hot. I'm going to do some plain, some with sprinkles, and some with frosting. For my strawberry with sprinkles, I'm going to take my strawberry and dip it just like the other ones. I'm going to shake off the extra chocolate. You can swirl it around to make sure the chocolate sticks to itself. I'm going to place it here on the wax paper, and then while it's still drying, take my sprinkles and just gently sprinkle them onto the strawberry. Whoop. It's okay if you make a mess. That's why I did it on a cookie sheet that has sides so I don't get sprinkles all over my counter. For my strawberry with frosting, just like the others, take my strawberry, dip it, swirl it around, shake it, swirl it once more, put it down, and then you can use whatever color frosting you have. I have white and pink. I'm going to take it and do a little zigzag. You can do whatever pattern you want, and it's okay if extra frosting drips onto your wax paper. I'm going to start on the other side. Now I've got the other side. And done. If your chocolate starts to solidify while you're dipping your strawberries, take your spoon and give it a stir once in a while to make sure that the chocolate stays melted. You can take any leftover chocolate you have and scoop it out onto your wax paper to make mini chocolate bars. You can also add frosting or sprinkles to this as well. After you decorate all of your strawberries, you can put them back in the refrigerator to help set up. It's okay if they didn't turn out great. My little smiley face here is kinda lopsided, but that's okay. They're all gonna taste good when we're done. And they're done. You can eat them right away or keep them in the fridge for 2 or 3 days.